Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing a 2023 version of Young Crouchy. And yes, I have already unboxed him, so that's how I know it's the 2023 version. Now let's get to unboxing. First, I'm going to look and see if it actually is 2023. Yep, it's 2023. Now because I have unboxed this, it is messy, so we got the shoes. 2023 shoes, that's how I know it's 2023 Young Crouchy. We've got an arm, which is like stuck in there. Here's one of his arms. Here's his other arm. Yes, you're probably wondering why is his hand missing. Well, I was trying to bend this part and the hand snapped right off. Apparently, this part's too hard to bend. So I wouldn't try bending that part. We got this, which is his collar. I don't know if it's supposed to stay on the head or not. Next is pulling out the whole base with all of the rest of the parts. Before I go on, here's this crazy hairdo. Let me fix this. There we go. The adapter is in there, I can see it. His step pad, clothes, more clothes. His mechanism, which is actually bigger than I would expect. Now, I did watch a YouTuber put this together, and if you didn't know me, when I first saw his video, I freaked out and I wanted him so bad. But luckily, I got up to $200, and this guy, luckily, only won $70. So I got Young Crouchy yesterday. Step pad. Got a step pad. Here's his adapter. We'll set those back there. Leg pulls, base, and instructions. So let's go to the getting this guy set up. Okay. Now this is, I think, a mistake with all Young Crouchies, maybe. Look for A and B, and sometimes there won't be a C and D on the leg pulls. So just be careful with that. So here's his second leg. You can see the legs don't crouch like this, because if they did, well, then they would meet each other. This is what would happen if they crouched together. They could snap each other. So Spirit didn't want to have that happen. Okay, I need to take these off, actually. I forgot about the 23 shoes. Thought I was loading the regular Crouchy there for a second. It doesn't matter which shoe goes on which leg. They're both labeled J. So it doesn't really matter which shoe on which leg. We need this shoe also. Take this leg pull off. Slide this down in there. Now this is just how most people do it, because in the 2023 versions, their shoes have that happening. So if they have foam, you can just slide it up onto the foam until it's stuck. And then that'll be ready. Now his pants, that's a shirt. I'm gonna move, wait, did I get all his parts out? Where's his loop? Where's that part? I'll have to find that. His hip loop. Where did that part go? Oh, it's right here. This you will need to put on before you put on the mechanism, or else you get tricky stuff. And again with the pants, it does not matter where you put them on. Just make sure they're not twisted, or else that'll look stupid. Okay, oh, don't want that to be sliding down. Gotta get these pants over that phone. There we go. Now we gotta do that. And yes, on the 2023 version, these do slide up. Now, I'll show you a trick so you don't struggle to put the hip loop on after you already put this on. Before you put that on just do this. And then you just snap in the hip loop. Just like this, if it'll go in. And sometimes it is tricky to get in that hip loop, but mine just snapped in. Now these don't always want to, now those clips always don't want to snap in. So just be careful. And if you don't like a hip loop on an animatronic, try to watch a video if you would want, like if you don't, I personally wanted to feel what a hip loop on an animatronic would feel like. Oh my gosh, this is stuck. No. Come down, and you guys, oh my gosh, come down. Down. I'm gonna have to stand up for this part. Up. And on the hip loop. There. Next step is to put on, actually, if you want, if it's easier, take your own advice. If you want to plug the cord and stuff in first, then be happy to do that. Just don't plug it in. Just don't plug the plug in. Because I did that and he activated. Because apparently this guy has sound activations. So if you are too loud near him, he might go off if he's plugged in. And that is with the step pad and him being plugged in only. Like yesterday, I had him attach a step pad, and we kept talking to each other and started yelling and laughter, and he just started talking, which was a little creepy. I like how you can put the head on first, but it's harder to put the head on. Oh. No, I do just put these arms on in their pose that I have them in the box, because it's a little hard if you don't do that. Get over here. And this is actually a way that you can get him set up easier by pulling the shirt over to that arm. only problem with the arms being up here is that it looks like he's choking himself, so I always like to go like that and down to where it looks actually good. And then this arm still can bend, it's just harder to bend. This arm is usually a hard arm to snap in. Even at Spirit Halloween, I didn't work there, but his arm was like up more, so I saw if it was snapped in or not, and it wasn't. So I tried to get it back in all the way, and it was very hard. I don't know if I'm able to do this alone, though. Oh, this is hard. Sometimes you have to take this arm back off so you can see better. And then try and put it on better if you can. Like right now, it won't even go in the holes, and now it's like, you said I can't go in the holes, I just did. There. Last but not least is the head. I only attached the lights on the head because when he sensors, he's a little wonky. Oh, not head, last. This is last. I'm gonna sit over here and put this collar on. Okay, I need the other cord. Okay, that'll just do. Where is your other cord? Why was it in your arm, bruh? Now this is how he was stopped last night in this exact same spot. So don't think that this is how he comes in the box. This is how I had to stop him last night because it was bothering all of us. Okay, in his head, little teaser, it does not like to go on, so be prepared for that. And then let's move this here on place. And time to go. That is not where we stopped. I don't know if he's on sensor or not. Hey. Yeah, and now I will show you a behind the scenes animation in a different video. But this guy was hard to build already. And I'll show you, it is okay to stop doing animation. He just makes a dip. He is pretty cool. This is the exact same motion. I stopped him yesterday. If you don't like it, then I'll just, I don't know what I'll do with this thing. It looks creepy, honestly. Look at this. Well, that's it. Bye.